Every child deserves to be safe, protected, and respected. But harm to children disrupts healthy childhoods with lifelong consequences. One in 10 children experience sexual abuse before their 18th birthday. 1 in 5 are bullied. And because abuse is often secret, the real numbers may be even higher. One of the biggest myths is that abuse, assault, and bullying only happen in certain communities. The truth is that it can happen to anyone, anywhere, no matter their background. Kidpower is part of the solution. We teach children how to recognize unsafe situations,
Stop or I'll report.
find their voice,
I said stop.
set boundaries,
Please don't touch me.
and take action to protect themselves and others.
I need help.
We teach kids how to get help from trusted adults when they feel unsafe. Kidpower teaches parents, educators, and caregivers how to reinforce safety concepts and how to respond when a child comes to them for help. We all have a responsibility to protect children. Together, we can create safer communities and empower our children to thrive. Together, we are hope. Together, we soar.